Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Just unmute yourself and tell me. Hello?
Devitra ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Yes,
So
I can hear
let's
you as
start.
well.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, let's start it. So, which question do you want in right now?
I have sent you a few questions. You can pick up any question.
Okay, okay, all right. Okay, all right. Let us do a few tricky questions and do simple questions. I'll explain you how can you do them. Okay.
Okay.
So in your book, they are using like term R over 100 means they are replacing this. They are using
I can't
N in
see
a
the
stead of
screen.
T.
Sorry to
Yeah, I'm
interrupt
going to
you. I
share.
can't see the screen.
Yeah. Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, I can see the whiteboard now.
Okay. I'm telling you, as I have used T in a stead of N number of years. Remember? Like I'm telling you again. Simple interest in SI and formula I was telling you like PRT over 100. I told you you can use this also, or in your in your PDF in your book you have SI is equal to PNR, or they are using sign of multiplication PN into R over 100 and number of years. Okay, we are using here T time. Okay, so you can use T or either N. Got it?
Yes.
Leo? Yeah. And this N, sorry, R over 100, we can use I also. Means in decimal form. Like if you have 5%, okay, then 5% you can write in decimal form 0.05. Then this is I. Okay, this is I. Decimal form is I. Either you can use this form or this form. Got it? Because after simplification we need to do this only, so you can use in any term. Now got it? Got it?
No, can you explain again?
Yeah, I'm saying that we have like percent over c, r is percent. Okay, and over 100 we have in formula. You can use any formula. This is of your book and this is mine. You can use anyone. Okay, so if you are using this form like 5%, then write this 100 in denominator. If you are using decimal form, then you can use directly. There is no need to write 100 in denominator. Okay, okay, I'll explain you in by using questions also. Okay, so in exercise, an amount 2300 was borrowed by Ankit at a simple interest of okay, there is no, can you give me clear question, because the rate of interest is hidden. You can tell me
Uh,
also
which page
in
number?
first in page number 6
Okay.
in exercise, because see, the book is hidden.
An amount of 2,300 was borrowed by Ankit at a special interest of 12% per annum.
Okay, 12%. Okay, okay.
He returned the
So,
amount with interest
yeah.
after 3 years.
So amount to be borrowed or amount to be deposited is principal amount, that is denoted by P is 2300. R is 12% per, per annum. And time is he returned the amount with interest after 3 years. So you can take either T or N. As your book they are using N, then you can use this N also. So N is 3 years. Now you need to calculate amount including the simple interest he had to pay. So first of all, we need to find and we need to find amount. To find amount, we need to find SI, then we'll add to the principal, that will be the amount. Okay, because amount is amount A is equal to P plus SI. Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. So let us find first of all SI, then we'll add with P to find amount. So let us find SI. Formula to find SI, P into N into R over 100. Okay. So let us put now. Let us put now value. So P is 2000. We are finding SI 2300 and N is 3 years and a rate of interest is 12 over 100. We can simplify, and now 23 into 3 into 12, and this is amount in rupees. So can you calculate? 23 into 3 into 12, 828 we have SI. Now we need to find amount also. So amount A is equal to principal amount is 2300 and SI is rupees 828.
3128.
Yes, rupees 3128. So you can conclude that he has to pay this amount at the end of 3 years. Okay, you can conclude that. Got it?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Okay. Now let us do the next question. Mr. Shah borrowed 20,000 from Mr. Patel. After 8 months, he returned the amount with simple interest. If your rate was 12% per annum, find the interest he had to pay. So, 8 months you can take as like, I'm explaining you, you can solve yourself. I'm telling you how can you do it. Here, P is rupees 20,000. Okay, 20. And R is 12% per annum. N is 8 months. First of all, let us convert these months into years by dividing by 12 year. Got it? Now you need to find SI only because they are asking to find only interest. Got it? Just put in
Yes,
formula these all values, then you can find it. Got it now?
yes.
So can you do it? Can you do it yourself?
Yes, I can give it a try.
Sure, just try once. Because simple, just you need to put these values in the formulas. In this formula, in this
P
formula,
into
you need
N
to put
into
and
R
just
upon 100.
yes, exactly. So P is 20,000, R is 12%, and N is 8 over 12. Just okay. I'm explaining you next question.
How would you
Hormone.
simplify this 8 over 12?
See, as I'm telling you, how can you say into 8 over 12 into 12 and over 100. You can just cancel this, or even you can write this denominator here. Okay, because when we have fraction in numerator, then both denominator will multiply. Okay, by fraction rule. Got it? Even you can multiply this denominator here, or
Yes.
simply you have 12 here. That is why you can cancel easily. So you have 1600. Got
Yes,
it?
exactly. Yes, exactly, Devitra ma'am.
Yeah. So I'm explaining you now on the next question. Third question. A sum of 10,000 was taken as loan by Apple at a simple interest of 14%. Find the total amount with interest he returned after 1.5 year. So in the same way, you can convert this 1.5 year, like you can use 3 by 2 years. Sim in the same way, you can use this. P is here 10,000. R is 14%, and N is equal to 1.5 year, and this is 3 by 2 years. Got it? Just use as you can use this by using fraction rule. You need to find finally amount by adding SI to P. Are you getting? Because in third question you need to find amount. So P R T over 100. So P is 10,000 into R is 14 in or sorry, P and R also you can take as given in your book. So P and N is 3 by 2 and R is 14 over 100. So just simplify and you can find this. Okay, you can cancel these value these zeros also. Sorry. Are you getting? Are you getting
Yes,
this
yes.
calculation?
Yes.
Okay. So now you have mm, yeah 2100. 100 into 3 into 7. So this is SI only, but you need to find amount. So just add this SI with principal amount, because we have formula amount A is equal to P plus SI. So amount A is equal to principal amount is 10,000 plus SI is rupees 2100. So we have total amount 12,100. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, in fourth question, Tushar invested 25,000 for 6 years in Credit Society, giving simple interest 10% per annum. Find the total sum. In the same manner, you need to find here P is 25, N is 6, and rate of interest is 10. You can find easily, right? Fourth
Yes.
question is directly, okay? There's no any
Yes.
trick.
Yes.
So just try yourself and let us see the fifth question in part A. A sum of 25,000 accumulated to 55,000 after 12 years. Find the rate, find the rate of simple interest per annum. Okay, okay. Which was effective in this situation means we in a simple way we need to find R. Means we have amount, okay? We have amount and we need to find R. So let us do it. This is tricky question. I'm telling you. Fifth A part. Here we have P. Concentrate in this question, okay? Because the little bit trick is here. Principal is 25,000 and amount is accumulated to 55,000. Means finally he'll get this amount, rupees 55,000. Okay. We need to find R. N is 6 years. Okay, 12 years, sorry. Okay. So, amount A is P plus SI. So, let us find first of all SI. R is unknown, we'll find it. So, SI is P is rupees 25,000. N is 12. R is unknown, we'll find it over 100. So, okay, so we have rupees 3,000 R. This is SI. And we need to find this R. Are you getting
I can't
these
see the
steps?
screen. I can't see the screen.
Pardon?
I cannot see your screen, ma'am.
You can't see the whiteboard?
No, I can't see the bottom part of the whiteboard. The simple interest calculation.
Okay, let me share it again, okay? Just a second.
Can you move on to the next one?
Sure, sure. Sure. So you can't see the bottom part, right? This one?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, I'm doing on next page. So SI is rupees 3,000 into R. Amount we know very well P plus SI. So P is rupees 25,000 plus SI is rupees 3,000. R is equal to rupees 55,000. Okay, we need to find this unknown R. So just subtract this value from the 55. Okay, so rupees 3,000 R is equal to rupees 55,000 minus rupees 25,000. Are you getting this step? Are you getting?
Can you explain this once again, please?
See, this is formula. This is formula. Amount A is equal to P plus SI. We have found already SI. We are just putting the values. Just keep the unknown value on left side and other values take it on right side. Because this is positive on left side, we are taking it this on right side, so we will just subtract it
Yes, yes, got it.
by using equation rule. Got it?
Yes.
You remember this equation rule? So
Yes. Yes.
now we have here 30,000. We need to find R. So just divide it by this amount right side. Are you getting? Because this is multiplied with R. So just change the side and this will divide the right side. You got this step? Simply like equation rule we are using here to simplify. Are you getting?
Yes.
And 3 tens are. So we can understand as, so R is here 10% per annum. Okay. So R is here 10% per annum. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm just seeing the next, an amount. Okay. The B part of fifth question. An amount of 35,000 resulted into 52,500 after a certain period at a 10% per annum rate of simple interest. Now you need to find value of n in similar way. Here we are finding r. In the B part, we need to find n. In similar way, same steps will be followed. Are you getting? Instead of r, we need to find here n. So will
Yes.
you do this? So can you try this?
Yes. You want me to try it right
Same
now or
way.
later?
No, as a homework, as the
Okay. Okay.
practice. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Instead of r, you will find in the same way n. Same steps will be follow. First of all, you need to find in the same way SI. Then you need to add with principal amount to represent amount, final amount as a 52,500. Okay. And then you will get unknown N. Okay.
Okay.
In third part, you need to find principal amount. Here, principal amount is missing. Okay. I'm telling this part. Okay. I'm telling. C part I'm telling. B part do yourself. Okay. Because this is same as A part. In C part, little bit small differences here because principal amount is missing. That is why. So here, fifth, this is fifth C. Uh, Here, P we need to find. R we have 8%. N we have 6 years. And A we have 7,200. Okay, simple interest of, okay, okay, only simple interest, not amount. SI is given. So simple. This is so simple. SI is rupees 7,200. Okay. So SI is, we know formula P into N into R. Hmm. P is unknown. So let us now put the rest values and value of SI also. So P is unknown, N is 6, R is 8 over 100 is equal to SI is rupees 7,200. Okay. So let us find unknown value. You remember the equation rule, because cross multiplication, we'll cross multiply this 100 to this amount and they are multiplied, so they'll divide right side value. Do you remember that? In junior classes we have done this.
Yes. Yes.
So P is equal to, just, so we are multiplying means by changing the side We change the sign because if any amount is multiplied, then we'll divide. Okay. If something is added, then on changing the side, we'll subtract. In something is subtracted, then we'll add by changing the side. And something is just divide the left side, by changing the side, it will multiply. So we have here 6 into 8. Got it now? Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So let us simplify now. Okay. So now P will be, P is, are you getting?
Yes.
So
Yes.
P, so is calculator allowed in your exam?
Yes. Calculation is allowed.
So you can just simplify by using calculator.
Yes.
Yep. Okay. So this is principal amount. Okay. Tell me, or if any term which not got you not, if anything you want repeated, or everything is clear.
Everything is clear, ma'am.
Okay. Let us do next. Okay. A sum of 50,000 accumulated to 82,000 after 8 years in a bank. Find the rate of simple interest per annum which was charged. Same as B part. Same as B part. You need to find R only. You have principal amount, you have amount, you have N, and you need to find the simple R. Same as this. Same as the sum. Okay. This one.
Okay.
Okay. So shall we do the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, sixth question. A sum of 6,400 accumulated to 9,280 in a certain period. If rate of simple interest is 9, find the period. It means same as C part. You need to find N. You need to find N here in this question. So can you do it?
Yes.
And the seventh question, a simple interest on a certain amount of a money for 4 years is 8% per annum is more than simple interest, same as, okay, interest on the same amount for 5.5 years. At the, okay, at the 7% per annum by 585. Find the principal amount. Okay. They have given some information and we need to find according to that. Okay, we need to find P. So let us write first of all which they have given to us, and let us, we'll find P. So they are saying that in seventh question, simple interest on a certain amount of a money for 4 years at 8% per annum is more than, okay, simple interest on the same amount for 5.5 years at this. Okay. So principal amount we need to find. Given condition is P into N is, in first condition, N is of 4 years. Okay, in first condition we have time 4 years and rate of interest 8 year. Okay, over 100. This is formula. They are saying that the certain amount of money for 4 years at 8% rate per annum is more than simple interest on the same amount for 5.5 years by, means this is more than how much? 585, from which another amount. So, okay, sorry, my mistake. Second condition, where P is same, R is uh, N is 5 by 2. So just convert 5 by 2, 5 by, sorry, 5.5, sorry. 5.5, we have 11 by 2, sorry. So N is 11 by 2. Are you getting 5 by 5.5 years? So we can write it 11 by 2. N.
Yes.
And rate of interest for second condition is 7. So they are saying simple interest on the certain amount of okay in first condition is more than, okay, me, this is more than this. How much? 585. Are you getting? Now take sign of equality. Are you getting, or shall I explain you again?
Once again, please.
Okay. Means they are saying that this first amount, first SI is more than this, more than this amount by how much? By this amount. Okay. For example, if we say that 100 is more than this x by 20, then how can we find this unknown value? Obviously, just subtract from here and x is equal to 80. What it means? 80 is 20 less by 100. Are you getting? Are you getting?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So when we are talking about which is more, so write it same as, then add the left amount with how much, then we'll add this amount. That is why we are adding means which is more than second condition, we are added to this. Are you getting? Are you getting?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now take sign of equality here, and now let us simplify. So this is 32 by 100 into P is equal to 77 by 200. You know why? Because we are multiplying these denominators. Are you getting? This is rule of fraction. If you have fraction in numerator and number in denominator, then we'll multiply these denominators. Okay? This is rule. And
Okay.
plus rupees 585. So let us take on left side, because we always kept those unknown values on left side to simplify. So 32 over 100 into P minus 77 over 200, P is equal to rupees 585. So they are allowing you calculator, so you can just simplify by using calculator. Means we can make the denominator same by multiplying and divide by 2. So now we have, one second, I'm rechecking just a second. Uh, 7.4 years at, okay, 7%. Give me a moment. I'm just checking because I'm thinking that there's some error. So let me check it. 64 minus 27. Okay. So let us make the denominator same by multiplying and divide by 2. Now you got it. So I'm writing the direct value. 64p minus 77p over 200, because denominator will be the same, 200 and 200. Then we are subtracting, and rupees 585. Now we have minus 13p over. We'll neglect this minus sign because we are talking about amount. Okay, so just neglect this minus sign. I'm writing neglect minus sign. So write it. Only 13p is equal to rupees 585 into 200. And we are now we can do it as rupees 585 into 200 is divided by 13. So after dividing by 13, 5, when we divide 585 by 13, we'll get 45 here. Now let us multiply 45 with 200. We'll get 9,000. So this is
Okay.
required principal amount. Got it now?
Yes,
Or shall
perfect,
I
ma'am.
explain you again? Got it?
Uh, yes, yes, I got it.
B part, same way you need to do the same. A principal amount to be to 18,000 after 5 years and 21,600 after 8 years. Okay. Means we have in both condition we have only amount and we need to find principal. Okay, I'm telling you little bit trick is here, so I'm telling you this eighth question. Okay, okay. See, eighth A, you do just amount. Okay, okay, sorry, that's mistake. I have another question. Okay, I'm telling you eighth A. Okay, similarly you need to do eighth B. Okay, in both cases, these questions are similar. Only values are different. Okay, in the same way you can do the B part. Eighth A, I'm telling you. We need to find P. A principal amount to this means this is amount rupees 11,180 when n is 4 years and r is okay. Okay, there is no r. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, and you need to find r also. And amount is 14,040. Here n is 7 years. Okay, and also r unknown. We need to find p and r. So let us form equation by using formula of SI. Sorry, amount. Amount we know very well, P plus SI. So we need to find SI for both condition, for this condition and for this condition. for first condition. SI is equal to P into R into T is 4 over 100. And for second condition, SI is uh, P into R into T, sorry, N is 7 years over 100. We need to form A because we have A only in both condition, okay? So let us write it. So P plus SI for first condition is P 4 times of P over 100 and which is equal to 11,880. And we can take P as a common. Inside we have 4R over 100 is equal to 11,880. And second condition, B part, sorry, second condition is uh, P plus SI is 7 times of PR over 100 is equal to rupees 14,040. Now let us take P and inside we have 1 plus 7 R over 100 is equal to rupees 14,040. Now what can we do? Just use this. Use any one of them. This one. Just write down P as. Take this entire in denominator of right side. Are you getting equation rule? P is equal to rupees 11,880 over 1 plus 4 times of R over 100. This is. In this equation, we can use value of P. Okay. We can use now value of P, which found by using first condition. Okay. I need to take a next whiteboard to solve it because we have less space and gives only 12 pages. So we need to save it and take next whiteboard. So P is equal to P is equal to rupees 11,880 over 1 plus 4 times of R over 100. Now we'll use in second condition, that is P in bracket 1 plus 7R over 100 is equal to rupees 14,040. So here let us put the value of P, this entire value let us put here. So rupees 11,880 over 1 plus 7 times of R over 100 into, in denominator we have 1 plus 7R. Okay, here 4R we have, sorry. Are you getting? Are you getting?
Yes, yes.
Now let us cross multiply this on right side. by equation rule, because we have anything having denominator on left side, we can multiply by using cross multiplication. So let us do it. So we have rupees, or we can see this is this is dividing left side, so we can just multiply by changing the side, and this amount is multiplied, so we can divide right side. Okay, so let us write here 1 plus, or I'm writing on next page, 1 plus 7 times of r over 100, and right side 14,040 is divided by 11,880 into 1 1 plus r, 4 times of r over 100. So now let us simplify. Okay, 14,040 is divided by 11,880. Okay. Either you can solve by dividing this, or you can do just multiply this amount inside. Okay, inside you can do in both way. Okay, just multiply this on right side and just simplify this amount on inside. So let us do, you can do in both way. Okay, either by using this way, because here some decimal expression is known, like repeated, that is why I'm using that step. You can use any one of them. So this is rupees 11,880, just multiply 1 plus 4 7 times of r over 100, and inside we have, sorry, is equal to 14,040, and 1 plus 4r over 100. So let us multiply inside. Are you getting me? Hello, are you getting me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so why we are multiplying with 1, and then we'll multiply with this 7r. Okay, so 11,880 we are multiplying with 1, so plus, let us multiply now with 7 rupees, 11,880 into 7 over 100 to r is equal to rupees 14,040 plus 14,040 with 4r over 100. So just cancel 1 0 from here, and similarly from here. So take unknown values on left side, means involving r, these term on only left side, and values on other values on right side. So we have 1188. Okay, just 1188 multiply with 7. So we have 800, 8,316 r over 10, minus, let us multiply this one with 4 and just subtract 1404 into 4, and we have here rupees 5,616 r over 10 is equal to rupees 14,040 minus rupees 11,888. Are you getting?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we have here 2160, and let us subtract this 8316 minus 5616. Okay. On left side we have 270 R after dividing by 10. Okay. So R will be 2160 over 270. So 2160 divided by 270. So we have here 8. 8 R is equal to 8% per annum. Okay, this is R.
Yes,
Here
perfect.
you have P. Okay, so sir, just simply put the value of R, then you can find the P. Okay, R. Okay,
Okay, okay.
got it.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just put this formula. Shall we do it, or you'll try? Can you try
Yeah,
it yourself?
yeah, I can try it, but we can do it now as well. Right? It will hardly take any time.
Okay, just put. I'm just telling how can you simplify. Just use the calculator, then you can find further. I'm just putting the value of R here. Okay. Just 1 plus 4 into 8 over
Okay.
100. You need to put as. And that is equal to, then P is equal to 11,880. And now you have, see, 25 you have here over, sorry, 33. So I'm telling you how can you see. This is 32 is divided by 100, then you will have 0.32. Got it? 32 is divided by 100, then you can write this one. Okay, add with 1, so you have only 1.32. So just divide this value by 1.32, then you will get the principal amount. Got it?
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So just do all those questions which I have given to you.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so this will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
9,000. Is this
Yes. It will be 12,000.
in A part? We are doing A part.
Oh, I'm sorry. Then it will be 9,000.
Yep. So do second B part. This is same as this A part. Okay, and rest of question which I have given to you. Okay, and rest we'll do tomorrow. Okay, at 1 p.m.
Yes, yes. I wanted to know if you have GPay.
Pardon? Yeah, yeah.
Do
You
you?
can do. You can use UPI. Okay, I have given to you also, because
Okay,
you
on
can
the
use
same number,
GPay
right?
either any other. You can use anyone. Okay, but you can
Okay,
pay by using that in my Paytm.
okay,
Okay.
okay. On the same number,
Yeah.
right? That I have been calling you on.
Yeah. Yes. Exactly. On the same number. Yeah.
Okay, I will try and send some money today. Remaining, I'll send tomorrow.
Okay. This is so easy. You can use the number, and certainly this will do, because all of my students use UPI only by using my
Okay,
number. Yeah.
yes. Because adding the beneficiary and all that will be time consuming,
No, no
because we
need
need
to
to
do
get the
anything.
OTP from the bank.
No need to do anything. Just put my number. Okay, or just put my
Certainly,
UPI ID. You can do easily. There's no
certainly,
need to
ma'am. Yes.
add any like beneficiary. No. Okay. I have given to you also my UPI. So just put it, and you can do easily.